welcome to Math with some love. And in this tutorial we are going to solve for the value of x in this exponential equation on the board. We have 3 to the power of x plus 2 is equals to 2 to the power of x plus 1. We are expected to find the value of x. To do this, you can see that the bases are different. We have base 2 and base 3 in the left hand side and in the right hand side. So all we have to do is to take the log of both sides, because there's a law of logarithm which says that whenever you have to take the log of both sides. You have log 3 of x plus 2 is equals to log 2 of x plus 1. A law of logarithm says that whenever you have a power to a log, like log m to the power of n is the same thing as n log m. You can actually multiply the power to the logarithm. If that's the case, we are going to apply it both to the left hand side and in the right hand side. So if we apply it, we'll multiply x plus 2 to the left hand side. So we have x plus 2 of log 3 is equals to x plus 1 of log 2. Good. The next thing we have to do here is simply to open up the bracket. And to open the bracket, we have to use log 3 to multiply everything in the bracket. So we have it as x log 3 multiplied plus 2 log 3 is equals to, same thing is applied here. We are going to use log 2 to multiply everything in the box, and that will give us x log 2 plus log 2. Good. On having this, from here we can still do a little simplification. To simplify this is very easy, because when we also have to use this particular law. So it's just like a reverse. We are going back. So we are going to use this power 2 to raise to the number 3. So on having this, you have x log 3 plus log 3 squared, because of this rule. Instead of multiplying, we square the number. Then plus x log 2 plus log 2. Good. On getting this, what is 3 squared? 3 squared is 9. So we have it as x log 3 plus log 9 is equal to x log 2 plus log 2. Good. The next thing we do is to collect like terms. And to collect like terms, we bring the terms that have x together and the one that has, and the other one that doesn't have x. Okay? So to do that, we have x log 3, then we minus x log 2 is equal to, the last term here is log 2 plus minus, because this is crossing the, log 9 is crossing the equality sign. So it becomes log 9. On getting this, x is here and x is here. So x is common. So we factor out x, you are left with log 3 minus log 2, and is equals to log 2 minus log 9. Okay? So to do this is now very simple. Remember another law of logarithm, which says that when you have log m minus log n, that is the same thing as log m divided by n. That is, when you are subtracting logarithm of the same base, you can actually divide the numbers. So we are going to apply it in this middle term. And this will give you x into log 3 over 2 is equals to log 2 over 9. Good. So on getting this, to get the value of x, all we have to do is to divide through by log 3 over 2 and divide by log 3 over 2. So that log 3 over 2 will cancel out log 3 over 2. What do we have? We have it as x is equals to log 2 over 9 of 3 divided by log 3 over 2. Okay? On having this, we now have it to be the value of x. We can actually apply change of base here. So keeping it the same, we have it that x is now equal to log 3 over 2 of 2 over 9. And that's the value for x. If you found the video interesting, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new content. See you next time. Goodbye.